Hello friends, a warm welcome to Family Recipe Girl. Today let me show you how to put raw jackfruit in brine solution for salla upkari or salam begashi that we GSPs make. So first we need to have a jackfruit for that. So here I have a jackfruit. Usually jackfruit will be like this very closely. You can see the difference between this and this. Initially it will be like this very close, but as the jackfruit ages it will go far off like this when it grows. This is the right time to pick the jackfruit from the tree, and then we have to cut the jackfruit into pieces like this. They'll be sticky, that's why I have spread paper on the floor. You need to apply coconut oil to your palm and fingers and cut them into pieces like this, into huge chunks. Then we remove the bottom part like this so that these things come off easily. After cutting it, it will be like this, the pieces will be like this. So you need to remove this also for them to loosen out like this into individual pieces. Then we will get something like this. From this you need to remove these tissues. These need to be removed, and then open it out, remove the seeds, and then we get something like this. Now these are put into, or rather preserved into, brine solution with which we later make salla upkari. Now all the jackfruit have been cleaned and de-seeded, free of tissues. Now what we need to do is simply take them, put them in a glass container, clean glass container like this. Make one layer at the bottom of the glass jar. Add salt. I have sea salt here. Just spread them all over. One more fist. Just level them. Second layer goes, and repeat this till we reach the top of the bottle. Now this jar is completed. Let the top layer be salt again. It's jam packed, as you can see. As each layer of salt and jackfruit goes in, I have pressed them a little so that they are tightly packed, and by tomorrow or day after tomorrow you can see that the jackfruit would have sweated a lot and will come to half the level. They'll compress and go down. That is because of the salt that we have added. It will help it sweat a lot and reduce in volume. Close the lid tightly and then keep it in a dark place or maybe in your storeroom, and check on them daily. Give them a good shake and keep it back. I had packed it tightly up to the neck, and now you can see that after 2 days it has gone down so much. Filled it up to the brim again with the sal from another bottle so that they will be in one single bottle. That will save some space also. It's convenient to have them in one bottle. As we all know, salt is a very good preservative, so this brined jackfruit or sala won't spoil for 4 to 5 years. You could use them within 1 month of preserving it for salla upkari or salam begashi or sanna polo, which are all GSB delicacies. We usually end up using this during monsoons. Whenever we have unannounced guests coming over, you could make salla upkari if you have brined the jackfruit, and usually we end up using this for our overseas friends and relatives. As this is a GSB delicacy, they end up relishing it. This surely won't last more than a year because we end up making it quite often since it's very tasty. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, because in the coming days I'll definitely show how to make Salla curry. If you like the brining process, do hit the thumbs up button and share the video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.